Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to open WhatsApp application and Google Maps. So as you can see here, someone has sent me her location on my WhatsApp application and I'm going to tap this one. Now I'm going to show you how to open this to your or using your Google Maps. So if you tap this location that this person have sent you, you will have option below on what application you're going to open this. So I have here the Grab and Maps. So I have to click Map. Once you tap this, and then it will take you directly to your Google Maps where you can see the location here. Now, the question is, how are you going to allow this Google Map as your default when you open a location on your WhatsApp application? So as you can see, I am now using my Google Map. And if you want to open a location on your WhatsApp through Google Map, what you're going to do here again is you have to locate your phone settings. You can swipe down and tap the gear icon, or you can exit this and go to your settings. If you're using Android, you can just simply scroll down here and look for app management. And then after that, click app list. Now you have to search for WhatsApp, or you can scroll down and look for your WhatsApp application. So let me search WhatsApp here. Now, once you open this WhatsApp, you have to scroll down and look for permissions. Under permissions, you have to make sure that location is under allowed, or you allow location here, and then tap location. Click see all apps with this permission, and you need to click maps right here. As easy as that. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.